if you put your hand right here on the ground and leave it for about 10 seconds.
Cold.
And then wipe it off, and then put your fingers right here for about 10 seconds. What happens after about 10 seconds?
Feel good.
It starts feeling more.
So week 22 for R&R. Me and Jordan have been working out on the porch. Been making these outlines to go in these spots. These ones are for the corner right here, but we've also made this one for our walls. And we're gonna send them over to the metals department so they can plasma cut some sheet metal for us to fit in here as our handrails.
Alright, so it's week 22. I'm working on getting some of the siding around the window cut out so we can get this sucker popped out and hopefully get it replaced. And then earlier this week I was actually working some downstairs doing some jackhammering with Ryan, which he's building the wall right now.
So today we've been working on reframing this window cutout. We put in these studs today, and we're leveling this and making the window square.
Alright, so this week I worked on a new post for the stairs, worked on some decking stuff, cut some wood, you know, the normal.
This week, Mikey and I worked on building these stairs. Today, Natalie and I finished them. That's what I've been working on this week, week 22.